Hello, Glam fam. So right now I am adding a hydration mask to my skincare routine. I think this is going to have to be a regular during this season due to the fact that the season is changing and my skincare routine has to change as well. The rain was pouring when I left home, but the clouds started lifting right before I reached the gym. After our class, we headed back upstairs, did some little chatting, and then we grabbed our things and went up to the protein cafe and just talked about some things that are coming up for us in New York City.
Okay, girls, so we're officially on for the trip to New York City for the award show. I've been looking at the calendar. It's in Manhattan, right? Let's lock in the details now while we got the shaker cup still hot.
Yes, I am so excited. I've been working hard in the gym. You see, the baby fat is gone, and I want to make sure the look is on point. But what hotel were you thinking?
I found a great spot in Midtown, just a 5-minute walk from the venue. We check in November 3rd around the evening and actually spend the night before so we can relax. The show is at the CFDA Fashion Awards at the American Museum of Natural History in Manhattan. So if we arrive that afternoon, we can skip rush hour, drop bags, and freshen up. That makes sense, right?
So arrival, we say around 3 p.m. Then we'll check in. I guess we'll get ready. And I think we should do some pre-event content. But what about the dress code? Did they give you that information already?
Black tie chic with a twist. I'm thinking satin slip dress, maybe deep emerald or chocolate brown, so it ties to your fall tones. I want you in something that pops against the red carpet lights. Measurement-wise, we'll do a quick fitting when we get back home this weekend because you've been sculpt working and I want your silhouette to shine.
Good. So what about hair, accessory, and shoes? What do you have in mind for that?
Shoes can be high heel, but not sky high. We'll do a metallic strap. Hair, I was leaning towards loose waves with a sleek side part. And for you, maybe a minimalist earring so that the dress features. Yeah, we'll do that.
Love it. And so, but wait, what is the time frame for everything that evening? Do they have an itinerary on the website, or did you get that information already?
We'll leave the hotel lobby by 6:30. Shuttle or valet drop by 6:45 p.m. The show starts at 7:30 p.m. After party. Let's plan for 10 p.m., but we'll see how you feel. Also, content-wise, I want you to do that car arrival shot. You and me stepping out of the car, red carpet, lean, maybe quick pan of the museum. You know, get the museum in the shot. Content is everything, right?
Yes, I already have some ideas for the content. But Aspen, I want to say thank you so much for curating all of this. I am so excited and I'm so ready. So I am going to get ready to hit the road. I'm so grateful that it looks like the rain is completely cleared up. You know, it takes me a couple of hours to get back to Calabasas, but I'm going to finish up this protein shake and then I'm going to hit the road so that I can get home and get dressed for my date night tonight with my husband. I am going to have our assistant reach out to you so that you can give her the itinerary ideas. She's going to check with our travel agent, get our travel plans together. So don't worry about that. We'll take care of all of that for you and I. And then she will basically combine all the details together. She'll put it on my calendar and then she could pass it to you. You could put it on your calendar so that we'll make sure that we're dotting our I's and crossing our T's. So yeah, let me get on the road and so I can get back home and get dressed. I think I said that already, but yeah. I thank you so much and I will talk to you soon. Text me later.
Yes, love. Treat yourself. Let's make this night in NYC legendary. We're going full Luxe couture, full fall glam.
After the gym, I headed home for my spa appointment. The therapist was already there waiting for me, so all I needed to do was slip into a bikini and get comfortable and let the relaxation begin. So I finally tried the new Stamped Beauty Luxe Lash System. It's my first time using it, and it's so beginner friendly. All the details is there in the note card. Everything is animated, and it's so easy to apply right at home. Y'all, I am putting on individual lashes at home, where I usually go to Stamp to have them apply them for me. The good thing about this system is that I still can go and get my reapplications or re-up on my lashes at the beauty spa, and they will take care of you. So this is a good system. If you're in Second Life, make sure you go and get this. After my spa appointment and doing my own lashes, I got dressed for dinner. It was very, very romantic and nice. So much so that I did not record because I wanted it to be an intimate moment between my husband and I. So you catch the vibes. I'm back home and hubby is asleep already. Our baby is tucked in and I'm winding down with a cup of tea, catching up on a few documents before I go to bed. But this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video. We will see you for our Sunday reset on Sunday. Have an amazing night.